Hello and welcome. My name is Bernhard Beck. I'm a member at Silicon Valley Lines. I'm going to show you how to run at our open house with the open house web throttle, and I'm also going to show you what happens on the layout as you run with the web throttle. Enjoy. Looks like we got an email here. Let's take a look. Alright, this is the invite email with the throttle information for open house on Saturday. It shows the date, April 17. It shows the departure time, and we provide login information for our Google Meet that we use to coordinate between the participants of the session. Please click on that and that will drop you into the video conference so that we can talk with you and help you set up everything. That's this link down here with meet.google.com and some stuff behind it. In the second half of the email, there is the link to access the personalized throttle for your train that you're going to run. So I'm going to click on this, and you see it opens up, and it ends up with a screen that says no logo yet, waiting. This means that we are waiting for you to show up at the video conference and get you all prepared for running the train. This is our web throttle. The speed bar is on the right. The view from the locomotive cab is in the middle. Our engine and locomotive with the train is still waiting for us. You can turn on the lights on the engine. There you go. Lights are on. This is the speed slider. So you can click in that, and that makes the engine move. And you might have noticed that there is a delay of several seconds between the engine moving and you seeing that video output on your screen. This is normal. It's inherent in the technology that we're using, but it is something to be prepared for. So when you're running a train, always be prepared that if there's a red signal ahead of you, be prepared to stop and think about a couple second delay as the train is proceeding on the layout and your video is lagging behind. As you're running a train, you can speed up, go a little bit faster. But keep in mind, you want to be able to stop if there is a red signal in front of you. You can use the stop button to stop your train. Sometimes the conductor may ask you to back up. That's done with these little triangles down here. And a green triangle down backwards means we're going backwards. As you can see in the video window, your train is running backwards now. If I look over there, yes indeed. Frisco Extra 695 has arrived at the Bayshore Yard, and I'm parking the train in the arrival track in Bayshore Yard. I'm standing here in front of the layout, but I'm controlling it with our open house throttle. The same way everyone who's participating at the open house is going to do it. And the train stopped. Why is it stopped? Because we have dirty track and it needs a little bit help. We will have brakemen around the layout that when that happens, you can call on the meet, and they will help you out in case there are any problems. Now we are running again. Very good. Alright, the last car has cleared the track, so we can stop now. And you notice that I press the stop button and it takes a few seconds for the trains to stop. So just keep that in mind when you're running a train. Thanks for watching. Thank you for signing up for our open house, and we're looking forward to having you at the open house.